DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
YouTube, what's good, YouTube gang? You already know what time it is now. They're done back in the lab. Yes, man, people, you don't know what I do. We're continuing the consistency. We're keeping the consistency going back into 2026. By the way, guys, Happy New Year. If you haven't seen my newest videos, latest videos, Happy New Year. You already know what time it is. We're here to remain consistent and take over the 2026. Is it, gang? Yes, man. Right now, play with the road, no people. Welcome on and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Bro, yo, remember this month is my birthday month. January 30th is my birthday. We going crazy. Hopefully, we can hit 10K by then, guys. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to wish your boy happy birthday, drop it in the comments. If you're trying to support, you can always support the channel. We got the link in the description to the Cash App, the PayPal, the. You feel me? To you can drop your super thanks, all that good stuff. I already know when I'm live you can drop the super chat, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? I just watch and like so that you know the views go up. You see me as a gang. But yeah, man, today we're there where I keep the consistency going on. Today we're there with none other than Bob himself. Mr. Scamming Nova Music himself. Yo, remember a couple of years ago, you know, me the first year to react to Skippa. I'm telling you, you can run dance all, you know. And right, I know what the youth are do. Them man are Usain Bolt, man. The man they are away down him, you know what I'm like? Where the new up and coming yard with him? I have to find a name. But yeah, man, they are run it like a blood clean in their champs are Beijing. You see me with there with none of that Skippa. You see me there on a name, no budget. We have to check it out and see where I deal with gang. You don't know, hit the like and subscribe button, you know, people. Cause we not hold up the vibe much longer. Let's get it. Night time. Yeah, one of the first youth over there say night time, you know. Do your research, you know. Yes, man.
Say night time, I have to sleep on the leads. Oh God, yo, damn good. Wait for me,
Mama, tell you about intro. Yes, I am the intro killer. When me hear intro, me can't tell that tune bad just after the mama with the blood clot over there, so We like that. But yeah.
Oh God, yo, damn good. Wait for me,
night time we have to bleach pan the leads, yo. Can't wait for be meet. Yo, that my friend, we can't wait for be meet, you know. We are gonna meet out this egg. We not one.
So them know I got the sauce already. And I talk about money, don't call me. Tell it she like the way me chop the beat. She love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel.
I know, so I got the sauce already, you know. Stop playing with me, you know. I know, so I me got the sauce, you know. And me start the sauce, you know. You see me, nobody not do it like me do it, you know. I'm told you know we got the sauce already. Stop playing with me.
About money, don't call me. Tell it she like the way me chop the beat. She love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel her ass energy. She did that look for me, but it be my pass already. Boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me.
You know we got the sauce already. She a look for me, but you know we pass already the beat.
Feel her ass energy, she did that look for me, but it be my pass.
When she see me, she feel her ass blood cleat energy. Mama, fuck head speed.
Yeah, not talk about money, don't call me. Tell it she like the way me chop the beat, she love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel her ass energy, she did that look for me, but it be my pass already. Boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day a beat one part, and they see me fit up in
that mafia. We slippery, them can't study we, you know. Them try, you know. Them try copy, you know. Them try do the. They try imitate, but
her ass energy, she did that look for me, but it be my pass already. Boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day a beat one part, and they see me say fit up in rum talk and go call it lyric and enter bad body fee, but she hot.
Why toast the girl can't study me? I know book this. I know school this. This is not academics. You feel me? This is not hey. But you can't go use some brain like a higher learning door, but you can't study your mama.
Boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day a beat one part, and they see me say fit up in rum talk and go call it lyric and enter bad body fee, but she half is in it. That little girl I got a bush, she got herself intact. Look how the little feel is smooth, look how the breast and fat. So me I spend a bag of money cause
look how the little feel is smooth, man. Look how the breast hit tap, mama. How up to you?
Look how the little feel is smooth, look how the breast and fat. So me I spend a bag of money cause he must get knocked. I me no care if me go down here, I go make it back. I bitch I get him.
God, that's a man spend the money cause me have to follow that, you know. Me not care if you don't cause we get more, so we not worry about it. I want to, you know, man, come show.
Feel it's smooth, look how the breast and fat. So me I spend a bag of money cause he must get knocked. I I mean, no care if me go down here, I go make it back. I bitch, I gave them a down to my fucking last. So me still have a piece of money for my debit card. That I know, I mean, no worry about a thing, my lad. She have to chop on this about before she got yeah. You know.
Man, tell me the about that. She have to chop on the cocky official as she got, you know. By the hook, by the crook. She have to get took. Oh, more clean. Yes, man. By the hook or the crook, she get took. Yes, okay, go on.
Debit card. That I know, I mean, no worry about a thing, my lad. She have to chop on this about before she got yeah. You not talk about money, don't call me. Tell it, she like the way me chop the beat. She love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel one rass energy. She did that look for me, but it be my pass already. The boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day, I beat one part. And they see me, say fit up the rum talk. And go call the lyric, client a bad body fee. But she half is any. It don't be real and you see it now my face more. I stay clean, hygiene, now stay sanitized. Slip my panty hygiene, now she wants it.
Stay clean, hygiene, we stay sanitized. She click the IG. She click the IG, you know what go on in the dog. We stay clean, stay sanitized. When she click the IG, you know what happened? You know what? Talk
and go call the lyric, client a bad body fee. But she half is any. It don't be real and you see it now my face more. I stay clean, hygiene, now stay sanitized. Slip my panty hygiene, now she wants to deny. Girl, I never scam my boy, so I stay up on the line. No budget, rich and stupid. Client a call, talk, turn off music. Everything sparkle, shot fly choaching. Yes,
rich and stupid. Client a call, turn off your music. That be nice. Shh. That be nice, you client dip on the phone. We are banging. Hey, I'm here, man. We have to make your food come true, you know. Don't fuck up. Don't fuck up. Tap. Shh. Hello. Hey.
On the line, no budget, rich and stupid. Client a call, talk, turn off music. Everything sparkle, shot fly choaching. Yes, and install, let them know got the sauce already. You not talk about money, don't call me, tell it. She like the way me chop the beat, she love the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel one rass energy. She did that look for me, but it be my pass already. The boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day, I beat one quart. And they see me, say fit up the rum talk. And go call the lyric, client a bad belly fee. But she half is silly. She like the way me chop the beat, she like the dog melody. And when she see me, say she feel one rass. She did that look for me, but it be my pass already. Boy slippery, me no girl can't go study me. And me dopey day,
Easy no man, easy. Dan Julio, aces of spades. What's wrong with you? The big bottle and the little bottles. Yes, with some water eyes. Get it up them. No, vibes they are. Oh. Nighttime, you.
This is a
you know, I'm telling nobody does it like I.
feeling zen.
Julia vibes. Yo, and if they make up that with us, the energy when I react to tune, that tune make
And
us
these
feel
are the
nice.
Dell Power Edge servers that make them feel that way.
The vibes is natural, blood clean. I want to them, Batman 2026 we take over like we should. You see me when I play with them gang, I know anything in the comment section. Skipper, you been on a good run, bro. Remember, me tell you for a long time. Me tell you, say, if you just stay consistent and do your thing, you can run your blood clean. You have a place in the game. I've been, go look at my reaction, them, man. Check the video, them, man. I fax me attack, you know. I never ask me, I tell me, because me bring the hottest and latest tune to now. Me tell you when the artist bad, the artist bad. From me give them the co-sign, them, afi. Alright, course bye. Hey, gang. Let me know anything about this in the comment section. You see me? Yes, man. Nighttime, man. Yo, we out, you know.
On a play me DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shot a selector.